What's up YouTube, it's Eric Kelly, aka The Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today we're taking a look at a special package I just received from Google and Team Pixel. Shout out to Team Pixel for sending this out to me. Before I get going though, I want to remind you guys, make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I have links in the description below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you got any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's talk tech. Alright guys, without any further hesitation, we're going to go ahead and dig into this guy. Super excited. Like I said, this was sent out to me by Google as a part of Team Pixel. Alright, so we got the little Made by Google logo there. Just so you know, the little pull tab was no help at all. Alright. Boom. Okay. The Google Hyperspeed Helper. All right, we're definitely going to see about that. So this is a little booklet here from my friends at Google. To the side, appreciate it. All right, so we got looks like the sage color of the Pixel 5 5G, pair of the Pixel Buds, and the Pixel 5 case. So I'm going to go ahead and set these to the side, make sure there's nothing else in the box. Pixel 5 5G, super simple, touting the 5G. Team Pixel, that's what's up. By Google. Right. And threw in a case, which is going to be super helpful. Looks pretty cool. Gonna be a fabric texture. All right, so I don't think there's anything else in the box. I think that's it. We'll go ahead and slide this out the way. All right, guys. So of course, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the thing. You're all here to see the. No, I'm not gonna do that to you. We're gonna go ahead and get into the Pixel 5. I've already cut the sides off on it. So we have this nice sage color here, and we're going to go ahead and power this guy on. And while it's doing that, we're going to look around the device right quick. All right, so up top, if we can focus, give it something better to focus on. Boom. All right, so like I said, up top got a mic port. Right side, they did something different. You got an actual chrome button there on the side for the power button instead of a pop of color, and the volume up and down rocker is actually the same color as the chassis. On the bottom, you've got your two grills, and you've got a Type-C port, and on the left side you've got a SD card slot, which is not SD card, micro SIM card slot. I'm sorry. On the side there. And of course, in the front, got your nice display and a new kind of return on the back here. You've actually got your fingerprint sensor, nice little glossy G logo there. And in the camera lens, now there are two lenses and it looks like two flashes. So this guy should be a photo taking beast. But we'll go ahead and see what else is in the box. And we got some paperwork and whatnot. I'm sure you guys are super excited about that. Also have your nice little SIM card ejection tool. Got our power brick, and as always, try to get in here and see what this guy's working with. And it looks like this is, get the right light on it. It's like an 18 watt. So that's what's up. Should charge you decently. Got your nice clean white Pixel cables and your USB-C to A adapter, which is always in here pretty good. Yeah, USB-C to A adapter. Use it how you see fit. So we'll slide that off to the side and move on to the case. So I like the detail on the case. They got like a little canvas strap up top, the little pull tab we can use to get into this guy easier. All right. So super simple. They got like a little Team Pixel little note there. And this case, I'm assuming that it's made from some sort of, that's some sort of suede on the inside here, and like a nice kind of denim texture on the back. Go ahead and pop this on the device, because you always need some protection. All right, and as expected, it fits pretty well. Got a nice little, so there's your pop of color on the side, and it does have a raised volume rocker button, but it's the same color as the rest of the device. You got a nice area for your camera, so it'll be protected. Nice little slot for your fingerprint sensor. The G is now the same color as the pop of color on the side. Nothing on the left side. Up top you got that little hole for your mic, and the bottom is open. So very functional case. As far as protection for the screen, it's kind of a little, got a little lip there, but it's not super flush. Nice clean look. Nice buttons. I like that. All right, and for those of you who have never seen them, I'll go ahead and pop open these Pixel Buds as well. This is my first time using Pixel Buds, so at this point, so this would be pretty cool for me. You know, I don't want to say I'm an audio guy, I'm a headphone earbud guy, so take that how you will. So we will slide this open. And I like the minimalism that they got going on. So there's like a smooth white finish. Get this little plastic off. Yeah, so it's a matte white, soft white finish. Nice little weight to them. They feel nice, real sleek. On the bottom, you got a Type-C port for charging. The back of the bottom, you got like a little reset button. And one critical thing, they can open up with one hand pretty easily. They do kind of snap shut, stay closed pretty good. So if you've never seen them before, I'll pop them out. So they do go into your ear a pretty good bit. So this might not be for everybody, but I prefer the silicone tips going into my ear. It gives me better seal. I like that. And they are marked left and right, as you can see. Also in the case is marked left and right as well, so make it a little bit easier for you to pop them in. They go in pretty well, and I believe these do support wireless charging, if I'm not mistaken, because you do have you know, reverse wireless charging on the Pixel 5. But we'll play with these some other point in time. But yeah, guys, I'll have more impressions when I can go into more detail for you guys as I play around with the device. Keep it locked to the Tech Gentleman, and if you guys got any questions, as always, make sure you hit me in the comment section below. I'll make sure to get back to you. But until next time, peace.